Hi, in this video I'll show you how to download and play Among Us on your PC or laptop. To do this, you'll need to download an app called BlueStacks. Follow these steps to download BlueStacks. Step 1. Open your browser. In this case, I am using Google Chrome. In the search bar, type BlueStack and hit enter. You will see this page. Go to the first link on this page. It will redirect you to a page where you will find an option to download BlueStack 10. Once you click on it, you will see BlueStack downloading on your computer. Once the file is downloaded, you will need to install it. Step 2, double-click on the downloaded file to open it. You will see a bar where you have to press Run. BlueStack will open up and say Install. Click on Install, and then click on I agree. The installation will take around 20 minutes as it will first install and then download the required files, which you are seeing now. Once this process is done, it will check your PC configurations. Once you've installed BlueStacks, open the app and search for Among Us. Click on Install on App Player and the game will begin to install on your computer. This may take some time, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, the game will launch automatically. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your date of birth, choose a username, and connect the game to your Google Play account. After completing these steps, you'll be ready to start playing Among Us on your computer. If you liked the video, click on the like button, and for more such informative content, click on the subscribe button.